Let's unbox my Boxycharm, my base and my premium box. Okay, let's see what we have here. I'm just gonna go right in with the first thing, Violet Was Pro Series eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Let's see. Ooh, pretty colors. I love the sunset, that orange color. And we have here Primrose Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. Let's see. So pretty, I love you can use this on your cheeks and your lips. What do we have here? The Ace Beauté Eyeshadow Amplifying Base Light. So I guess this is an eyeshadow primer. And what do we have here? Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. Let's see. Okay. Seems like a clear lip gloss type. Ooh, and what do we have here? Kate Somerville. I love Kate Somerville. Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This is how it looks. Alright, that was my base box. Now let's get into the premium box. By the way, the premium box is now a standalone box. You don't have to be subscribed to the base box to get the premium box. Let's see what we have here. Let's just start with this. This is the Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle Serum. And then we have the Nude Sticks Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel with lemon, papain, apple, pomegranate. Here's an eyeshadow palette by Persona. Let's see. So many eyeshadows, only 2 eyes. Ooh. Independent. Look at that color. Is calling my name. Such pretty colors. What else do we have here? Original Roll-On Fragrance Oil Perfume. Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Ooh, this looks so cool. There's literally rose petals inside of the gloss. And Rodial Blush Drops Liquid Blush. Ooh, that sounds nice. Oh, look at this. So pretty. And the favorite item in my base box is definitely the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Cleanser, and this alone is a value of $40. And in my premium box, I have to say my favorite item is the Persona eyeshadow palette. I mean, so pretty. Look at these gorgeous colors, and this alone is a value of $42. Click the link in my bio for more information about Boxycharm.